Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
And good afternoon, West Michigan. We do have some improvement as far as our air quality. Starting on Saturday through about yesterday, we were seeing a lot of uncomfortable or unhealthy air across West Michigan, which on our scale, you'll notice is a level 3 and 4 out of 6. Today, we're in that moderate level, which is an air quality index of about 50 to 100, but it's a lower index than we had this time yesterday. And with our west wind, we're likely going to see a lot of that wildfire smoke move out as we head throughout the afternoon. Check in Allendale. Besides that, it's a really nice day out there. We have a lot of sunshine. Winds are pretty calm for the most part, especially further inland. And again, any wind is going to favor this smoke retracting further off to the north. I'd say by about 8, 9, 10 o'clock tonight, most of us will be in the clear, and we are expecting to hold on to those clear skies as we move into our Wednesday morning too. Temperatures, the warmest of your 8-day forecast today, near 90. It will be our 7th 90-degree day that we've had so far this year in Grand Rapids. Your sunset tonight, by the way, getting closer and closer to that 9:15 time frame. 1 month from today will be well before 9 o'clock. Some changes on the horizon. We could use a lot of rain across West Michigan as we've seen a dry stretch of weather for the last several weeks. The first batch of a few scattered showers possible as we move into tomorrow morning, but more likely shot at seeing some of those showers and thunderstorms as we build into Wednesday afternoon and evening. So take a look step by step. There's those few scattered showers that could impact your morning commute. Few more robust storms firing up into the afternoon, but they're fairly isolated. So this isn't going to be a widespread event. As we move into the evening, I would say this line is probably going to be the most widespread that we see. A lot of models indicating it could fall apart rather quickly, so some of us may miss out on some of these showers, but hopefully we all get some rain from this. These storms too could also be on the stronger side of things, producing some gusty winds, and this again is in the early morning hours of Thursday. By late Thursday morning, we should be clear, but we'll hold on to some cloud cover throughout the day. So how much rain? Again, it's very hit or miss situation, like a lot of the systems that we've seen over the last 3 weeks or so. It does look like the majority of the rain is going to try and target northern lower Michigan, where areas may see up to about a ½ inch. However, I think the vast majority of us will get away with about a trace to a quarter of an inch, and that again will be contingent on exactly where some of those isolated thunderstorms do set up. Storm Prediction Center yesterday afternoon put us in this marginal risk for pretty much all of lower Michigan. It's a level 1 out of 5 on our scale, but you'll notice that slight risk is really close. I think there's a good chance that this does clip some of our lakeshore counties by the time we arrive tomorrow, so something to be on the lookout and something to stay weather aware for. We are dry behind this system Thursday and Friday, and cooler. Look at that high temperature, 79 degrees. We haven't seen high temperatures in the 70s since June 25th, by the way. It's been quite a bit of time. Weekend looking okay. We'll likely see some showers and thunderstorms rolling through Saturday, perhaps lingering into Sunday morning, but not a complete washout. Temperatures near average in the low 80s. Next week, we'll return to those mid 80s, looking partly sunny for both Monday and Tuesday, and looking fairly quiet as we move into that 3rd week of July as well.